Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Coco and I'm back with another video, and it's gonna be my first video of the new year. Finally I'm back and I'm going to be consistent. I have a few videos lined up for this month and next month, so I'm excited to be back and record or whatever. So I'm going to be reviewing the Hairfinity products. So I just washed my hair using the Balance Moisture Conditioner and Gentle Cleanse shampoo. So for the shampoo, it says there's no sulfate, silicones, or parabens, so that's good. When I washed my hair, it was a little foamy, but I kind of like that. So if you don't like that, then I don't know if you would like the shampoo, but it did foam up a little bit and my hair did feel cleansed afterwards, and it's gentle like it says. So it wasn't like very I don't know how, like some shampoos make your hair feel dry, and it didn't make my hair feel dry, so that's good. And the Balance Moisture Conditioner, I really like this conditioner. Actually, I put so much in my hair. I was like, oh my god, I love this. It made my hair feel so soft, smooth, and it gave a lot of slip. So this is my hair after I washed it. And they sent me the I think it's called the Moisture Boost pack. I'm not sure, I forgot what the name of it. I'll link it down below. But it's for like dry hair. I have dry hair, and I hopefully like me using the stuff makes my hair less dry. I'm going to use the Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner to style my hair. I was gonna put like a cream, but then I just wanted to try out how this would work on its own. So yeah, this is the leave-in. Yeah, I'm gonna just use it now. What does it say? Spritz wet hair and gently distribute with fingers or a wide tooth comb before styling. Can be used daily. So yeah, it says it preps, restores, and protects the hair from everyday stressors, leaving hair touchably soft, silky, and radiant. So we're gonna see how this works on its own, and if I don't like how it looks, then I will add like a styling product on top. But I really want to try how this works on its own, and then I'm going to use the botanical oil once my hair is diffused and dry. So to just spray this all in my hair and run it through with my fingers, and then I'm going to diffuse. Let's see how this comes out first. I kind of don't like spritzy products because I feel like it's so time consuming. So I'm gonna put it in my hands. It's pretty thick. It's not like watery based at all. Look, it's pretty thick. Yeah, it's like a cream. It smells good. I would rather prefer like a pump or like a squeeze bottle. My hands are getting tired. I'm gonna just take it out and just like tug it down because it's like a cream. It's not like a water, so use like a little, and then I'm gonna do the next side. My hair is looking nice though. Alright, I'm gonna do this side. Oh! Shaking my head. Okay, it's right here. It fell on my table. It's making my hair look so nice and moisturized, and that's what I wanted. And that's what they said it was gonna do, but you gotta put it to test. I feel like my hair is fully coated. My hair feels super moisturized. It's great for my hair because my hair, it may be healthy, but my hair is very dry. It's always been like that. Feels so good. Make sure you get the edges. Okay. Looks really, really good. Alright, so I'm gonna diffuse my hair because I gotta go to work in like, what time is it? Oops, I gotta leave soon. So yeah, I'm gonna just diffuse, and my hair is still a little damp, so it's not that big, but so far it looks really good. Look how my curls are defined. Looks so cute. Oh, I really like this stuff. Wow. I was kind of scared because I usually don't use leave-ins as like a one styler product, but this looks really good. I really like this stuff. Wow. So I'll be back later. I gotta go to work now, and I'll be back when my hair is more dry, but I'm loving the results so far. So I'll let you guys know my whole opinion about the product later on today. So I'll be back later. Hey guys, it's the next day. So I'm really liking how my hair came out after it officially dried. So I didn't film it yesterday because I got home from work, went to sleep, so so yeah, I'm recording it today. So I used the leave-in conditioner, and I really like how soft my hair feels right now. It feels really soft, but it has a little bit of frizz, but I don't mind frizz, so like that's not really something I'm like, ugh, I can't. But it's bearable. It's nothing too bad. Looks really nice. So yeah, I really like this leave-in. It's actually really, really moisturizing, and it does do what it says. So it says how the it leaves your hair touchably soft, silky, and radiant. So my hair feels very soft. It's really silky, and my hair has a little shine to it, which I do love. So yeah, I really like this leave-in, so I do recommend it. The only thing I don't like about it is how it's a squirt bottle, and the consistency is thick, so you can just take it out and like pump it in your hand. That's what I did to like not waste too much time because I had to leave. But other than that, I really like how this helped through as just one product. I usually don't use leave-ins as a styling product. I usually use it as a base and then I add styling, but I wanted to try out just their brand in general. So yeah, I do like this leave-in and the shampoo and the conditioner. Come closer so you guys can see my hair. Cute. Content all 2019, girl. Content all 2019. So yes, that's the end of my video with the Hairfinity products. I do recommend them. I like them a lot. Not sponsored. I know there's like sponsored posts all the time, but not me, girl. They just sent it to me. And yes, I do like them. I feel like it made my hair really, really moisturized. I have really dry hair. I said that before earlier. My hair is very dry. It's healthy, but it is dry. I need to always deep condition and things like that. So I do like how this leave-in made my hair really soft to the touch and defined. I didn't have to use another product for my hair to look like this. I just diffused a little bit and then air dried, and it looks really, really nice. So yeah, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time, next week. Put the little bell thing because I'm posting again next week. So yeah, I'm excited and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, bye.